Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you doing today?
We are
I'm so lazy.
I'm so
tired.
a little bit tired.
Oh, lazy and tired. Why? What is the class before?
PE, Miss.
Oh, PE. I can relate to you guys, but don't worry. Today we're gonna boost our energy with learning mathematics. Okay. Before that, is everyone here? I think I see empty desk. Where is Riandika and Maria? Where is Riandika?
Yandika is sick, Miss, so he is absent today.
Oh, let's send our prayer for Riandika's health. And how about Noven?
Miss Noven is umroh with her parents.
Okay, let's send our prayer for Maria's journey to Mecca. Okay. Before we start our lesson, let us lead our prayer.
Okay, before we start to study, let's pray together. Prayer never ends.
Thank you, Taskia. Okay, are you ready to learn a new topic today?
Sorry, Miss.
Yes?
Will the new topic be difficult to understand, Miss?
Of course, no, because the new topic is already common in our real life, but maybe we just don't realize it. Okay, let's start. Perhaps you guys know who is he?
Miss, I think he look like my grandfather.
Oh, your great grandfather. I guess your grandfather is a legend in mathematics. But any other answer?
Is it Isaac Newton, Miss?
Isaac Newton, he's a great scientist, but he's not. Today we are learning mathematics, and Isaac Newton is physics scientist. So, try to think who is famous in mathematics.
I think he is Pythagoras.
Yes, good, Rara. Pythagoras is already famous, right? We already learned about his theorem in elementary school. So today we are learning Pythagorean theorem, which is refers to his thinking and his students' thinking. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the history of Pythagoras. Um, Pythagorean theorem is from Pythagoras and his students' thinking. Pythagoras and his students believe that everything in the world, everything in the universe can be expressed as numbers. Do you guys agree? You're not sure, but we're already used that in our real life. So today we're gonna prove that. So for who doesn't believe him, you're gonna believe him today. But before that, let us know what is Pythagorean theorem sounds like. Wait. Okay. What is the formula or what is the things that you remember about Pythagorean theorem? Yeah. How about you, Rara?
I remember about formula about Pythagorean theorem. I think is c square equal to a square plus b square.
Okay, good. Do you guys all agree?
Yes.
Yeah, because we already know that formula in elementary school, Pythagorean theorem, is famous as within the right triangle, we have a square plus b square equals to c square. And actually, the Pythagorean theorem is doesn't sound like this. Doesn't sound like this. The Pythagorean theorem stated by Pythagoras and his student is in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. So we have the keyword here, right angle triangle and hypotenuse. We will learn it later, but with this formula and this theorem, are you still don't believe him? Okay, you try to believe. Okay, I see. Uh, this Pythagorean theorem is already used in our daily basis. These three example is use of Pythagoras in daily life. The first one is when we construct our roof. When you build your home, your house, and we also build our roof, right? And the roof construction is using Pythagorean theorem. And also the second one, lighthouse. Do you know lighthouse?
Yes.
Yes. When we sail our ship in the sea, there's someone in the lighthouse who look for our ship, and uh, that someone is it the ship sailing safe or the ship face problem? So besides using Pythagorean theorem, it also use trigonometry. But you will study it in uh, senior high school. Today we're gonna learn about Pythagorean only. And the third one is when we construct bookshelf. Like when you have so many books, you will construct your bookshelf in the corner of our room. That bookshelf will use Pythagorean theorem to cut the wood. And yeah, it's so cozy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I already talked about uh, Pythagorean theorem. We have two keywords, right triangle and hypotenuse. So the first one about right triangle. What do you guys remember about right triangle?
Miss,
Yeah, how about you, Ada?
right triangle is have a right angle.
Only one or? Okay, just one right angle. Okay, let's see. This is right angle. Do you guys agree this is right triangle?
Yes.
Yes. And in a right triangle, it only have one right angle. Uh, it's angle ABC. So a right triangle is a type of triangle that has one of its angle equal to 90 degrees. So right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Applause for Ada. Okay, the second keyword is hypotenuse. Uh, do you guys know about hypotenuse or what you remember about hypotenuse?
Miss,
How about you, Afifa?
I think the longest side is AC.
Okay, the longer side or AC. Okay, okay, that's yeah.
The facing side of angle, right angle.
Okay, the side facing the right angle B. Okay, since the right angle is B, so the hypotenuse is the side facing the right angle. So it's also AC, that's yeah. Okay, both of you guys are correct. The hypotenuse is the longer sides or AC or the side facing the right angle. So this is the element of right triangle. The longer side is hypotenuse, AC, and the other two sides refers to height and base. And how about the triangle formula is half times base times height. We already learned that at elementary school. So do you have any problem with this?
No.
Okay. Since today I said we're gonna prove about Pythagorean theorem, I will give you a worksheet and I will divide you guys into three groups. You can be in group with your seats, and this is the worksheet. This is for group 1, and this is for group 2, and this is for group 3. Okay. Okay, last meeting I already told you guys to bring something, right?
Yes.
Do you bring it all? Or like I told you to bring ruler, protractor, scissors, and glue. Who didn't remember to bring it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you guys bring it. How about you, Nurul?
I'm sorry. I think we forget to bring the scissors, Miss.
Okay, it's okay. You can borrow my scissors, but Next time, please don't forget to bring it.
Sorry, Miss.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, first let me explain the worksheet. Okay, this is the worksheet I give to you guys. And the first one, please don't forget to write your group identity, your group member's name, and your class. Okay?
Okay.
And this worksheet will guide you to prove Pythagorean theorem. You can you can follow and read. You can read and follow the instruction, but I'm gonna explain it. The first one, you're gonna make rectangle triangle that has a different base and height, so it must be different. The size of the base and the size of the height. When you done make one triangle, the three other triangles should be in the same size like the first one. And you will have four rectangle. And you're gonna arrange it like this. And you will follow the proof. And this for number 5 and until the conclusion, you can just follow the instruction. If you have any difficulties of any question, please don't hesitate to raise your hand and I will help you. Clear enough?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Just happy working. Do you have any problem, group 2?
Yes, Miss. How do we can make right triangles in different size?
Okay, you bring your ruler, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to think two different numbers.
Maybe 5 or 7.
Okay, 5 or 7. Okay, so can you make 5 centimeters for this paper? 5 centimeters. Okay. Yeah, it's 5 centimeters. Okay. And then the 7 centimeters in the side. Okay. Okay, so you have this point and this point. You're gonna make a line through it and cut it. Okay, yeah, this is your right triangle and clear enough.
Yes, it's very good.
Terus, so the other three, you gonna make it 4, right? So the other three, you just copy it. Okay, copy the step. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, what's wrong with me?
Can we use another symbol besides A and B?
Oh, you're so unique. Okay. Any symbol besides A and B, actually you can use it, but you have to be consistent. Which symbol refers as A and which symbol refers as B. So if you say that the other symbol, let's say you will use M and N. So if this M and this is N, so it will also be M N. Please don't switch it. This is M N.
I think it's too difficult, Vidi, to just, can we just using A and B?
Yes, we just use
Of course you can, but if you still want to use another symbol, it's okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Just
okay,
use
okay.
A and B.
You can
It's
continue
okay?
your work.
Okay, just use A and B.
Okay. How about group 1?
Yeah, oh my god. We look confused, Miss.
Oh,
We
yeah.
don't know how to arrange this four rectangle to be the square. It's so complicated.
Actually, you can just follow this picture. Like, where is the base of your triangle?
A.
This is the base.
Yes.
And this is?
A.
Okay. So, like this one said, A is with B. So, this is the base with the height. And this is the
Base
with the height and base and the height. Okay. Actually, you can just repeat the step.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes, clear now. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, good luck. Oh, yeah. You're so active, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
I forget to finish this one. How to fill it number 5?
Okay, you're so fast. Number 5.
Yes.
To find the area of the outermost square, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Please try to remember what is the formula of the area of a square.
The area of square is side by side, just multiply.
Okay, multiply the side by side. And what is the length of the side?
This is A and B.
Okay, A and B,
Yes.
so we can make it A
A
plus.
plus B.
Okay, clear enough. This side is A plus
A
B.
plus B. Okay.
So if side times side and the side is A plus B, what should we do it?
This is A plus B times A
A
plus
plus
B.
B.
Okay, you can do the multiplication.
Yes, we can do it, Miss.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you. Okay, please attention class.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Please group 1, attention to me please. Group 2, please pay attention to me. Okay. Okay. I received a good question from Wang. For number 5. Wait, let me share my screen. Okay. The number 5 is to find the area of the outermost square or the big square, right? Now, before that, we already learned about the area of a square, which is side times. Okay, side times side. So it equals to s square. And we have the big square side is A and B. So it should be
A plus B.
Okay.
Times A plus
Okay, the side is A plus B. The length of the side is A plus B. So the multiplication, the area should be A plus B times
A
A
plus
plus
B.
B. And how to do the multiplication? Now, actually, you can use multiplication of algebraic expression. This kind of similar, right? A plus B, but this is A plus B also. And you can follow the step of the multiplication. Okay, clear enough, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, you can continue your work to find the right arrangement.
Yes, like this.
If you wanna switch the color, it's okay. But
Okay.
don't forget the base and the height.
Okay.
How about group 2? Oh, you're doing okay. Okay.
Is it like this, Miss?
Yeah, you follow that.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, good job, group 3. You can continue your work.
Okay, everyone. So I think there is enough time to do your work.
Yes.
Is there anyone who hasn't done their work yet?
No, we are done, Miss.
Okay, that's great, everyone. So now I want one or two people or two groups to present their work to the class. So who wants to go first? Okay, group 1, you can go ahead and go forward to the class, please.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Okay, so we are from group 1. There are me, Rara, Rizky, and Akbar. We want to present our group results. So as you can see, there is a big square. So the side is A plus B and A plus B. So the area is A square plus 2AB plus B square. And then there are four right triangles like this. And so the area is 4 times half times base times height. And then the result is 2AB. So to find the area of the small square, the area is t square. And then to find this, we can subtract area of a big square with the far right triangle. And then the final result is c square equal to a square plus b square.
Okay, so that's the presentation from group 1. Is there any opinion or question for group 1?
Me.
Okay, Nurul.
I have a question for group one, Miss. How
Okay.
can group one? How can you make sure that the small square inside is actually a square?
Okay, so so what do you think?
Okay, can I answer it?
Okay.
Okay, I think we use a simple method. So we use protector to determine the value of angle, and it shows that the angle is 90 degrees for all the angles.
Okay, that's great answer from group 1.
Okay.
Is there any other way to do it? Okay, Amifa.
I think we can use a ruler to measure the right angle.
Okay. Oh, that's a great way to make sure that is square. Okay, that's good answer. So, is there any other opinion or question for them?
No, thank you, group one.
Okay, so that's the presentation from group 1. Give applause, everyone. Okay, that's a good presentation. So you can go ahead and go back to your seat. Okay, so that's one group present their work. So is there any other groups who has different answer maybe? Okay,
You
group.
have a different answer like group one, Miss.
Okay, so you have different answer.
Yeah.
So maybe you can try to present your work to the class. Okay, you can go forward, please.
Okay, hello everyone. We are from group 3, and then in here we are. I'm sorry. We don't introduce ourselves. So my name is Nurul, and then yes, and today we will present our group result. So it's about Pythagorean theorem. After we arrange the four triangle like this to be a square, we can get the area of the big square first. So because this is a plus b times a plus b, it should be a square plus 2ab plus b square. And then the area of the four right triangle, it should be 4 times half times base times height. So the result is 2ba. And then the result, the area of the small square in here, it's c square equals to big square minus small square. So that this is c square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2ba. Yes, we are going to answer like this.
Okay, so that's that's the conclusion from group 3. So is there any opinion or anything that you want to say for group 3 and their conclusion? Okay, Rara?
Okay, I think I have any opinion, Miss, but I'm sorry if I'm wrong. So I think the 2BA and the 2AB is equal. So I think it can be eliminated and the result is 0. So the final result is same like our group is c square equal to a square plus b square.
Okay, so that's an opinion from Rara. So what do you think, guys?
So Rama means that this 2AB and 2BA it's same.
Yes.
Also, it can eliminate each other. And then we get the result c square equals to a square plus b square.
Yes. So you actually has the same conclusion, but maybe you got confused that between the 2AB and the 2BA. 2AB and 2BA is actually the same in this case. So you can eliminate the 2 and have 0. So the last conclusion is going to be c square equal to a square plus b square. Okay.
Okay, Miss, sorry, we can fix it like that.
Okay, so you can So now you can go back to your own seat and fix them. Okay, that's a great presentation from group 3. Give applause, everyone. So that was group 1 and group 3 present who has present their work. So how about group 2? Do you have any difference in your answer?
I think we have the same answer as group one.
Okay.
But Miss, I want to ask
Yes.
you, if C square is equal to A square plus B square always apply. If what if we have our hypotenuse is not C?
Okay, so what if Ada has a question? What if the hypotenuse of the triangle is not C anymore? So here I happen to have an example of triangle. Here I have triangle which the height is h and then the base is y and the hypotenuse is x. So with the Pythagorean theorem that we learned, what do you think would the Pythagorean theorem sounds like for this triangle? So where is the hypotenuse, the base, and the height? Oh, ada. Okay.
I think for that triangle, x squared is equal to y squared plus
Okay.
a squared.
Okay. And that was correct from Ada. So x squared, for this triangle, the Pythagorean theorem is going to be x squared, the hypotenuse squared, equal to the sum of the two squared. So y squared plus h squared. Okay, that was great answer, Ada. Okay, you learn really fast. I see. So is there any other last question before we end this? Oh, Vidi. Okay.
Miss, why do we arrange side A with side B? What if we arrange side A with side A?
Oh, okay. So we did just ask like, try to look at the paper that you have. We did just ask, what if we arrange the triangle differently? So instead of the A plus B that we did, instead we have A plus A and B plus B. So the side is A plus A and B plus B. You can try to arrange your paper like this. So, and what do you guys see? What is the shape of the outermost square? Of the outermost shape?
Oh, this rectangle now.
It's a rectangle. Okay, that's great. That's great, Taskia. So how about the inside? The inside shape, what is it? Amifa?
I think it's a rhombus.
It's a rhombus?
Yes, ma'am. It's a rhombus, and all sides have the same line.
That's great. It's a rhombus that the all sides have the same length but different angle on each of them. So if we have these shapes arranged, do you think that we can find c square out of this? What do you think, Mark?
I think we can prove that c square is equal to e square plus b square.
Oh, so you think that you cannot prove? Okay, and that is correct. With rhombus, we cannot find c square out of this. So, like if you find the area of a rhombus, you cannot just multiply these two. Okay, that's great, everyone. So that's the last question. So what you guys learned today? What did you?
We learned about Pythagorean theorem.
Okay, Pythagorean theorem. That's good. And then
Algebraic multiplication.
oh, algebraic multiplication. Okay, and then
I learned about proving Pythagorean theorem.
okay, so yes, we just learned about proving the Pythagorean theorem. And do you remember what you guys just did? So here I have a little video for you guys. The proof of the Pythagorean theorem. How do we prove them? This is the step-by-step that you guys just did in your worksheet. So first, we have 4 triangles arranged to make bigger outermost square and the inside square. And the inside square with the length equal to 3. So here it's orange. So what do you notice about the area of the orange square? So that we can find the area of the smaller square by subtracting the bigger square with the 4 triangles that we have. So for the bigger square, the outermost square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus b. And And then the area of the four right angle triangles is equal to 4 times the area of the triangle, half multiplied by A by B. Okay. And then to find the area of the smaller square, we can subtract the two, which we have A square plus B square. But at the same time, the smaller square is also equal to C square, from C multiplied by C. Therefore, we can have the conclusion that A plus B, A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay, that's great, everyone. So here is what you guys just found. So the Pythagorean theorem is C square equal to A square plus B square. Okay, and then we can subtract the sides and find other sides. So A square is equal to C square
minus B square.
Okay, how about the B square?
C square minus A square.
Okay, that's great, everyone. So, because it seems that you have understand today's lesson, so I have little homework for you guys. Oh, this is just a fun little investigation. So, do you think that A plus A square plus B square is always equal to C square? So, what happens if the angle is less than 90 degrees, or maybe an acute triangle, or maybe it's an obtuse triangle? So the length, so the angle is over 90 degrees. Does this theorem still apply?
I think yes.
Oh, you think yes? Okay, so you can write down your investigation here, and then your reasoning also, or maybe you can find other conclusion about this, or maybe another pattern that you can show everyone. Okay, so that's for the homework. Any question? Okay, Nurul.
When is the deadline?
For the deadline is for next meeting. Okay. You're welcome. Okay. So that's the end of today's lesson. So what do you guys feel? Did you enjoy this class?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad that you guys are having fun. So that's all for from me. So I hope this lesson is gonna be useful in the future. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, goodbye everyone. You're welcome.